Okay, here we go. We got these two, which I'm going to take home. I'm going to take this one home and decorate it right now, and then glaze fire it tomorrow. So I'm going to have to start doing a bisque fire and a glaze fire every day. Oh, I don't know if I can do that with this kiln. With my gas kiln, I can do a bisque fire and a glaze fire every day. With this kiln, I might have to do one bisque fire a day and one glaze fire a day. Anyway, so I'm gonna take this one and take it home. Put it back in the old trusty garbage can, and then I have this one leaned up on a piece of brick so that the flat bottom is not touching this. The inside of this kiln is too hot to touch. If it was wet, this pot would blow up because it's a little over 210 degrees, you know. Anyway, so there it is. Let's see how fast we can turn these around. But anyway, so I'm doing one glaze. I might have to come over here twice a day. Glaze fire has to, yeah, it's probably going to be one firing per day. I could do two, but I'd have to be here all the time. And let's see how it goes, because I really do want to make a lot, so we'll see. So anyway, people, this is what we got. So I'm going to wait for about a half hour before I close the lid on this, because I don't want it to blow up. It's about a week old, but the air where I live, like the ground is wet every day, like mist. It was misty and foggy when I left. So there's a little bit of water in here, for sure. So it's propped up at the bottom on a 1-inch piece of brick that fell off here. I gotta fix this shit right here before I do glaze firing. It's okay, I have all the pieces. I'm gonna cut this out square, like that. Just take a nice big square piece and just put it on there. I have kiln cement. Anyway, so I have one of these chunks that was in the bottom. It's leaned up on the corner. This is leaned up on the corner of it. So it's not touching the flat part, because the bottom is a kiln shelf. It's much hotter than this brick. I can touch this with my hand. Cannot touch that thing at the bottom because it's made out of cordierite. It's dense. It's like a hard brick. And the soft brick is still almost too hot to touch, especially when you get close to the bottom. It's too hot to touch. So I'm just telling you how it goes. If you put a green piece in a hot kiln, you want to prop it up on one corner so that the whole flat bottom is not touching a kiln shelf, because that'll just pop the bottom right away. I've done it before. That's how I know. Anyway, that's it for now.